I'm just going to teach you the Shivananda Surya Namaskar. It's one of the most commonly practiced Surya Namaskars. So I'll just teach it to you, alright? So just bring your feet to the front of the mat and bring your hands to heart center. On the inhale, you'll lift your hands up really nice and high. And on the exhale, you'll forward fold, bringing your hands all the way to the ground. From here, plant your hands on either side of the mat, outside of the feet, and take your right leg as far back as you can and drop the knees down, right? From here, gently look up. And then on the exhale, plant your hands down, step both legs back and come into a mountain posture. Make sure the heels of the feet are coming down. And on the inhale, lengthen forwards, shoulders over your wrists, drop the knees down, engage your core muscles and bring only the chin and chest to the ground. Then thread your chest through, coming into a cobra posture, lengthening through the hands, roll the shoulders back. Again, on the exhale, curl the toes, lift up and coming back into that mountain posture. Lengthening the spine, making sure you look like an inverted V shape. Lift the right leg up again, really nice and high, and drop it straight in between the hands. Bring the left knee down, roll the shoulders back, sink in. And then again, engage your core, curl the left toes, lift the knees off, and bring the foot in front. On the inhale, rise all the way to the ceiling. And on the exhale, bring your hands to heart center.
We'll start with Vrikshasana, the tree pose. To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose, press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body. If you're not able to take your heel closer to the groin, start placing your heel closer to your knee, keeping the right hip joint externally rotating, and then slowly come up as you maintain your balance.
In order to sit in Vajrasana, make sure that you are first sitting on your knees like this. Try to keep your knees together. Keep your feet together as well. Now slowly lower yourself down onto your heels, making sure that your buttocks are in contact with your heels. Now if that is difficult for you, you could always place a cushion or some kind of a support under your thighs. Once you have come down to this position, keep your back straight, place your palms lightly over your knees and relax and breathe for a few moments. Vajrasana is one of those few yoga postures which are allowed to be done immediately after your meals. This is a great asana for your digestion and also for your overall blood circulation. So make sure to practice this a few times every day.
Bring both your legs out in front of you, pointing the toes inwards. See to that your back is straight and the spine is extended with the chest opening, giving your body and your lungs enough space to breathe. The ribcage should have enough space for your lungs to be able to expand. As you inhale, you raise both the arms up, extending the spine further, bringing the hands in line with the ears. As you exhale, you bring the chin out and come down as low as you can. If you can, you hold your toes and bring the elbows down on either side of your feet, bringing your forehead to rest on your legs. If you can even take the arms around your feet and come down. As you raise up, you bring the hands in line with the ears. Inhale, extend the spine upwards. Exhale, bring both the hands down.